Lesson 3.2 Blocking versus non-blocking. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will use non-blocking less equal inside a clocked shift register. Reset and shift with less equal simulate Q out confirm bars. Blocking equals updates immediately, fine for combo, wrong for flops. Non-blocking less equals schedules, updates at the end of the time step. That models flip-flops. Golden rule. In clocked always prefer less equal for registers. A clocked shift register loads reset or shifts D in from the right. Your TODOs are the two non-blocking right-hand sides. Fill reset 4-bit 0 and the shift concat, then Control S. Those edits are in. Next we run simulation and verify the behavior in the log. Open simulation and press Run. After reset Q out is 0, then it shifts in once, pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP score and add the signals. On Surfer, watch shift to Shrek move 1 bit per clock. Yosys maps this to flip-flop cells with the shift register. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review, both reset and shift use less equal, never blocking equals. The test bench resets, clocks in bits, and prints Q out. That is blocking versus non-blocking. See you in the next lesson.